A simple and very delicious crispy chili fish that my family loves so much. This is ikan parang or wolf herring fish. It is good for frying and also delicious with sambal. For the ingredients I have 750 grams of ikan parang, 6 tablespoons of flaky chili paste. Please check out my uploaded video of how to prepare this chili paste. The link is in description box. 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll be using oil for deep frying. This fish is quite thick, so I will cut it into half. Use a sharp knife to slice it into half. Starting for the top here, cut closer to the center bone and leave the center bone to one side of the piece. Can you see some of blood clot underneath of the center bone here? We need to remove all of them. If you want, you can make a cut here along the side of the pieces so that salt and chili can get deeper inside the fish. Put it aside. I'm going to continue with the rest of the other 2 pieces. Okay, I have done cutting and now we can wash it. Alright, the fish are cut and clean. Now we are going to marinate them. I'm going to take 6 heapful tablespoons of the chili paste from here. Put in the salt. I will leave just a bit to put in later on. Give it a mix. I'm going to use my hand to mix the chili and salt. As my hands are seasoned with the chili, I won't feel much heat later on. If you are not used to doing this, please use the spoon as the oil from the chili can irritate your hands for the rest of the day. Now I'm adding in the last portion of salt. Next, we are going to marinate the fish with the chili paste. Rub the chili paste all over the fish. Put some of the paste on the top of the fish, under the fish. This is to allow the chili paste to get stuck on the fish. like this. I am going to place it on a separate tray. Continue this process for the rest of the other fish. If there is still some chili left, don't throw it away. Put on any of the fish. Alright, fish is ready and marinated. Let's cook. I have about 700 ml of cooking oil boiling in the pan, ready to fry the fish on medium heat. Check if there are oil ripples at the bottom of the pan. It will indicate that the oil is ready. Now put in the fish. Use a spatula to add the fish into the hot oil. Please be careful of oil splashing. I will fry 3 pieces in a batch, so the fish have sufficient room in the pan to be evenly cooked. Cover with the oil splatter screen and set the time for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the cover. Flip the fish to cook on the other side. Continue to cook for another 3 minutes. Total of 8 minutes is a perfect cooking time for the fish. After 3 minutes, the fish is cooked. Remove it from the oil and place it on the cooling rack. There are some pieces of chili flake left in the pan. I'm scooping them off and putting them together with the fish. This fried chili is perfect to eat with rice as well. As we are frying the second batch, we need to remove all of the chili. They will burn by the time the second batch is completely cooked. Now put it aside. Put in the second batch of the fish and repeat the steps. Alright, the fish is all cooked and looks so yummy. I'm going to transfer it to the serving platter. Wow, the crispy chili fish looks so good. And the smell of deep fried fish is superb. Look at the flesh, cooked just perfectly. So good, so delicious. The fish is soft, crispy and tasty, and little spicy. The chili flakes are crispy and tasty. They go so well with the rice. Love it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.